Hey, welcome everyone. You're listening to AZ 900 exam preparation course. My name is Sushant Satish and I am your instructor for this examination course. We just learned about how to create a container instance and a container services. In this module, we're going to explore Azure Networking Services. Azure Networking allows you to connect cloud and on-prem infrastructure and services to provide your customers and users the best possible experience. Once the resources move to Azure, they require same networking functionalities as an on-prem deployment. In specific scenarios, they may even require some level of network isolation as well. Azure networking components offer a range of functionality and services that can help organizations design and build cloud infrastructure that meet their requirements. Some of the most common Azure networking services are, which I'm going to discuss now. Azure Virtual Network. Azure Virtual Network enables many types of Azure resources such as Azure VMs to securely communicate with each other through internet and on-prem networks as well. A virtual network is scoped to a single region. However, multiple virtual networks from different regions can be connected using virtual network peering. With Azure Virtual Network, you can provide isolation, segmentation, communication with on-prem and cloud resources, routing, and filtering of network traffic. Azure Load Balancer can provide scale for your application and create high availability for your services. Load balancers support inbound and outbound scenarios. This provides low latency and high throughput and scales to millions of flows of TCP and UDP applications. You can use load balancer with incoming internet traffic, internal traffic across Azure services, port forwarding for specific traffic, or outbound connectivity for VMs in your virtual network as well. A VPN gateway is a specific type of virtual network gateway that is used to send encrypted traffic between Azure Virtual Network and an on-premises location over public internet. It provides a more secure connection from on-premises to Azure over to internet. Azure Application Gateway is a web traffic load balancer. This enables you to manage traffic to your web applications. It is the connection through which users connect to your application. With Application Gateway, you can route traffic based on source IP address and port to destination IP address and port. You also can help protect a web application with a web application firewall, redirection, session affinity to keep your users on the same server, and many more configurable options. And finally, Content Delivery Network or CDN. CDN is a distributed network of servers that can effectively deliver web content to users. It is a way to get content to users in their local region to minimize latency. CDN can be hosted in Azure or any other location. You can cache content at a strategically placed physical node across the world and provide better performance to end users. Typical usage scenario include web applications containing multimedia content, a product launch event in a region, or any event where you can expect a high bandwidth requirement in a region. Now that we have learned about the different types of networking options and solutions available within Azure, let's go and quickly create a virtual network and try to connect two virtual machines which is residing in two different networks. So I will see you guys on the next walkthrough. Till then, take care.